Good, we're going to multiply by a particular scalar now. We're still talking about vectors. Hopefully you've seen all my previous videos on vectors or other IGCSE topics. Anyway, that's up to you, of course. I'm just going to quickly sketch a vector. Let's say this one. We'll start here. I'm going to finish there. This is the direction. Vectors having a magnitude and a direction. And I'll label it with A. Good. Now, what is the column vector of A? Yeah, that is 1, 2, 3 and 2 up, so 3, 2. Yeah, again, I'm skipping steps now. I'm not going to explain translations. I assume you've seen my previous videos, so I'm not going to explain that again. Anyway, A is 3, 2. Now, what if I make A twice as big? Vectors, again, all the way in the beginning, I said many times in physics, and when you're pushing a box up a hill, it's also vectors. What if I push twice as hard in that same direction? So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to make it twice as long. Yeah, twice as long. So, although it's just a sketch, that is twice as long. All right. So the question now is, what is the column vector of 2A when I make it twice as long? Okay, so I'm still starting here, but now I'm finishing there. Now let's just count. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 horizontally, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, so 4 vertically, a positive 4, 6, 4. So 2A is 6, 4, yeah? And the interesting part is that is exactly 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4, yeah? So do I have to draw it every time? No, not really, because if somebody asks me now, what is 6 times the vector A, then I realize, well, that is then 6 times, yeah, and the column vector is 3, 2. So that particular vector, if I push 6 times as hard against that box, that's going to be a column vector of 18, 12. All right, good. So that is multiplying by a particular scalar. That's it. It's nothing more to it. See you at the next video. Example questions.